Hi guys, today I'll be showing you everything you need to know about PayPal, what it is about, and how it works. Started. So here we are in paypal.com, and this is where you will land if you use their official website or URL, which is paypal.com right here. And here it is the introductory part on what you expect here in PayPal. It's however you do business, PayPal fits, because PayPal is basically fitting for any type of businesses, because you would need some mode of payment, right, that is very accessible to everyone. And PayPal is very famous, and almost everyone already have a PayPal account, so you could really use PayPal to attract customers so they could pay easily and conveniently. And here it says that choose a brand you trust. PayPal is definitely someone to trust because it has been around for years or centuries already. No, not centuries, that is a little over the top, but it has been here for a long time, and it satisfies your customers, and it is ready to grow. It is constantly evolving. In fact, it has recently updated that it accepts or has a feature that involves cryptocurrency, so it really is updated. And PayPal is the right fit for your business. Just as I said, whatever business you have, PayPal is the right fit, because in some point you would need to send money or receive some payments, right? And PayPal is the best way to do it. And here, start accepting payments today. You can easily start accepting payments using PayPal. All you need is to provide your information, link your bank account or credit card maybe, then you could immediately start accepting as long as you set up your PayPal correctly. And you can expand to new channels, get paid almost everywhere, because PayPal is famous worldwide, and grow on all-in-one platform right here. So now that we're done with this, let's say we're done. What we were gonna do is go sign up so that I could introduce you into the two different account types that is present here in PayPal. So first we have the personal account, and second we have the business account. So first, the business account is something that you would use for a business, because as its name indicates, it's a business account. So you can use this to receive payments under your business name, so that your customers would know that they are paying for your business. And it would say, example, you have something LLC, then what they would see in their app or their device is that they're sending the money to something LLC, just like that, so that you will become more professional or more legit for your brand. That could really help. And here we have 24/7 online fraud monitoring and seller protection. So it is really protected here in PayPal. You don't have to worry about protection because PayPal has got it all. It's 24/7, and it is made sure so that you will be protected. And there are no setup, monthly, or hidden fees. All the fees that is deducted is shown by PayPal. You can know more about it if you search it on Google. PayPal is transparent about it. And here in the personal account, as you can already know, this is just for personal uses. You can use this to receive payments from your clients, or if you're a freelancer, this is where you receive your salary or something like that. Or maybe if you're a worker, you could receive payments right here without even linking your bank accounts or credit card. You can also do that. You just need to provide some documents that you are who you are, so that they could prove your identity, just like that. And you could receive your payments, or you could even send payments so that you could use PayPal to shop. Let's say you're in a mall, then you could use it for shopping. And it also has a buyer protection, because personal account is basically a buyer account. This is what you use if you want to buy something, then you need a personal account. And if you're gonna register, if you're gonna go on next on either of these, they would just ask you more about your information, about your business account or your personal information right here if you use the personal account. So let's say we're done with that. We're just not gonna go in depth. So let's go here. And this one is the business account right here. This is the UI for the business account, and as you can see, I don't have provided all the necessary details. That's why this one appears, but if you're doing this for real, then you need to provide it. And here are the quick links right here. You can request money right here. You can invoice, or you could use a paypal.me. Paypal.me is a link that is a feature in PayPal in which you send a PayPal.me link into someone so that when they go to that link, they could straight up pay you on what they need to pay. For example, here in my personal account, let me just show you. Here in my personal account, I have a PayPal.me link right here, and my PayPal.me link is simply just like this, PayPal.me, and just type my code right there. Let's just wait for it to load, and as you can see, this is what appears when they type paypal.me, and they can send the money right here. They could just click on send right here, and they could indicate the amount that they want to send. Let's just wait for it to load. Here they could indicate the amount that they want to send. Here, depending on the currency, they could change this currency into whatever they want, and they could label what this payment is for, and so on. And they could just click on continue, and they would need to pay for it using their PayPal balance, or they could link their bank account or something that is needed to pay for this one. And that's basically a great feature from PayPal, because paypal.me is a really useful feature here in PayPal. And by the way, this is the UI for the personal account, so you would really notice the difference from personal account and business account, because this is what the business account looks like. And in here, by the way, in the business account, you can have a PayPal MasterCard that you can get from here, so that you could use it as a credit card, so that you won't have any hassle and you'd have a more convenient experience in using PayPal, a business account. So let me tell you about the most important thing that you could know here in PayPal, which is verifying your account. So let's go first in the personal account. So to verify your personal account, you actually have three options. Here is link a bank or link a card. Those are your two options. You can link a bank and you would have verified right away. You could link a card and you would also get verified that way. So these are the fastest method on how you can get verified. But if you don't want to link a bank, or you don't have a credit card, or you don't have a bank yet, then you could just go here on settings. And what you want to do is go here into entering your IDs right here. You can enter your valid documents right here, so that you could prove that you are who you are. You are who you says you are, as you have indicated here in your profile, and you could identify your identity, and you will be verified very, very fast. But if you do it this way, then PayPal would need to hold on some balance. Let's say for the first transaction that you have made in PayPal, they would hold on into it for a couple of days, just to make sure for security purposes that you are not a fraud, you are not doing something illegal or criminal. But you don't have to worry about it, because PayPal wouldn't redact it or just mess with it. They won't do anything to it except just for security reasons, and that is it. You just need to wait a few days and it will be handed to you fully. And that's just for the first transactions. That is not true for all transactions. I think it's just for the first 3 transactions that they would hold. Once you don't have any violations in those few transactions, then you can have the transactions without PayPal holding your balances. And that's it for this PayPal personal account. We can go here in business account right here, and basically you only have 2 options that you can get verified from here. Let's go here in pay and get paid, and let's go to our banks and cards. So the 2 options that you can have is actually only link a card and link a new credit card. You can choose here link a new bank account. You can click on this and you would need to provide everything that is needed for your bank account to be connected, which are your bank account details, and same as your card here in PayPal business account. So that's it. So if you want to know more about the PayPal MasterCard, you can ask for it, or you could just search it right here. But in order for you to get it, you need to have your account verified first and have all your informations completely filled up here in your PayPal business account. So if you're wondering how you can make a PayPal.me link, then you could just search here on Google like PayPal.me link creation, and it would appear right here. It says paypal.me and paypal.com, and you could just use this link, and you would have the button to grab your link right here. And once you clicked on that, you will be provided here. But as you can see, it says you've already got your link because I already have mine. But if you don't have one, then this shouldn't appear. You could provide the PayPal code in your link in your PayPal.me link, and in my case I use FKABELLANO. That is my PayPal me code, so yours might be different. You can customize it however you want. And that's basically it on everything you need to know about PayPal so that you can get started here in PayPal. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.